Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a donation form in your WordPress website. So first of all, let me go in website dashboard and let me show you I have installed plugins. So basically this one is the plugin that you can easily get from this website WPForms.com. So you can go here and get the WPForms Pro. After that you can go back and then go to all forms, then click on add new form. Now here you can give a title, for example donation form, then scroll down. You can create a form with AI as well as you can use pre-built templates. So let's go here and type a keyword donation. So now all the forms related to donations are filtered and you can easily preview your templates before using it. You can just go and click here view demo, so you can check the template before using it. Then you can click on use template, install and activate. So you need to activate PayPal Commerce payment gateway to create this type of form. So first of all you can go here in payments, make sure that you have enabled this option. Then you can directly connect to PayPal account. You can click here and after that you can add your PayPal account. So after that you can enable test mode if you want to test before launching. So now let's go back to the fields. Then you can add and remove any of the field from here. So if you want to make name field only single, then you can select this one. So I think this one is okay. Then click on save button. And if you want to change contact form email, then you can go to settings, then notifications, then scroll down and here you can add your email. Also you can add here. Then let's go back and add this form in your website. So let me copy shortcode and create a new page. For example donation. Then you can add the form from here as well as you can add the code. Then click on publish button. Now let's view this form on the front side. Let me scroll down and here you can see PayPal commerce payments are disabled. So you need to go back in the payment settings, then make sure that you have enabled this one.